In today's video, we're going to make a super fun meditation station. And a meditation station is similar to what some friends would call an altar. It's a special place. It's a sacred space. It's a place where you can put things that you absolutely love, things that bring you a lot of joy, and things that remind you of who you really are. You could also put special things on there that help you feel grounded and calm. So we will share with you some of the special things that we put in our meditation station. And the first thing right there in the middle is our family picture. And next to it, we have an owl. The owl has always been special in our family. It represents wisdom. And where we live, there are two owls, and we hear them hooting late at night. So it's such a special, soothing sound. We also have a beautiful chakra tree that was given to us by a dear friend. And right next to it, a beautiful rose quartz. This rose quartz represents love. So important for our family. We also include a selenite wand, or we have a couple of different types of selenite in our house, and it's just nice for clearing. Selenite is a beautiful, beautiful stone to have around, especially right before meditation. We always light our candle before we do meditation or prayers, so we keep a candle nearby. And then sometimes when we're feeling that we need a little bit more clearing, we'll smudge a little bit, so there's a little bundle of sage there. Now, your meditation station could look completely different. You can have everything that you hold dear. So if you made a special drawing, include that in your meditation station if it's something you love. If you hold it in your hand and you feel absolute joy, it should probably be in your meditation station. If you have a favorite toy, why not include that as well? All right, so we would love to see pictures of your meditation station. You can go ahead and, if you're on Facebook, you can just post those pictures into the comment section, and we would love to see what they turn out to be. You can have one just for you or for your whole family. Have fun, guys. See you soon.